Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through installing the OEM roof rack crossbars on your Tesla Model 3. These crossbars, available from Tesla for around $350 to $400, enhance your Model 3's cargo carrying capabilities. We'll cover the process step by step and highlight important safety considerations, including weight limits, to ensure a smooth and secure installation. Keep in mind that improper installation can void your warranty, so pay close attention. Let's start by unboxing the Tesla Model 3 OEM roof rack kit. You should find 2 anodized aluminum crossbars and the necessary hardware. To complete the installation, you'll need a few basic tools: a T30 torque screwdriver, a torque wrench, and a small step ladder or sturdy platform to reach the roof. Having these tools prepared beforehand will streamline the installation process. The Tesla Model 3 features integrated roof rails that run along the length of the vehicle's roof. These rails are designed specifically for mounting accessories like crossbars. Along these roof rails, you'll find pre-drilled holes that serve as attachment points for the crossbar hardware. Carefully locate these pre-drilled holes, which are positioned at specific intervals along the rails. They provide secure mounting points for the crossbars. Before installation, ensure the area around these attachment points is clean and free of any debris. This prevents potential damage to the roof or mounting hardware and ensures a secure, flush fit for the crossbars. Let's begin the crossbar installation. First, align each crossbar with the pre-drilled holes on the roof rails. These holes are precisely positioned to ensure proper fit and stability. Next, secure the crossbars using the provided bolts. Insert the bolts through the crossbar ends and into the roof rail holes. Make sure each bolt is fully seated before tightening. It's crucial to tighten the bolts to the correct torque specification, which Tesla specifies as 20 to 25 feet-pounds. Use your torque wrench to achieve this precise torque. Proper torque ensures the rack is securely attached without over-tightening and potentially damaging the mounting points. After tightening the bolts, double-check the stability and alignment of the crossbars. Make sure they are evenly spaced and securely fastened. Give each crossbar a gentle but firm shake to ensure there is no movement or wobble. Retorque the bolts if necessary to achieve a secure and stable fit. This step is critical for safety, especially at higher speeds. The Tesla Model 3 OEM roof rack has a total weight limit of 165 pounds or 75 kilograms. This includes the weight of the rack itself, which is around 10 pounds. It's essential to distribute the load evenly across both crossbars. Uneven weight distribution can compromise stability and potentially damage the roof or crossbars. When driving, dynamic loads from wind and motion must not exceed 75 pounds of force per crossbar. This prevents the rack from lifting off the vehicle at higher speeds. Always check local laws regarding speed restrictions when using a roof rack to ensure safe operation. Several safety considerations are essential when installing a Tesla Model 3 roof rack. Ensure the rack doesn't interfere with any sensors, especially those related to autopilot functionality. Be aware that installing a roof rack increases aerodynamic drag, potentially reducing fuel efficiency by 5 to 10% due to increased wind resistance at highway speeds. Finally, remember that overloading the rack beyond its 165-pound limit voids the warranty and can cause structural damage. A viral video from 2023 showed a Model 3 rack bending under 200 pounds during a windstorm, highlighting the real risks of exceeding weight limits. Now for the final checks on your installed roof rack. Perform a thorough inspection to ensure everything is secure and aligned. Check that all bolts are securely tightened using the proper torque specifications. Verify the crossbars are properly aligned and level across the roof rails. For ongoing maintenance, regularly check the tightness of all bolts, particularly after long drives or when carrying heavy loads. With proper installation and adherence to weight limits, your Tesla Model 3 OEM roof rack will provide years of reliable service. Thanks for watching.